Creating a 3D animation video has always been one of the toughest tasks. Animating is a highly creative and time-consuming process. A creator would have to work for weeks on end to produce just a few minutes of animation. However, in this era of artificial intelligence, animating has become much easier. Now, with just a few clicks, you can create a 3D animation movie. You can even upload them on YouTube and generate passive revenue. In today's video, I will show you how to create a 3D animation video using AI. But before we start, please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. It helps us a lot. Thanks, and let's get into today's topic. First, we need to create an account on DeepMotion AI. It's simple, just enter your email and set a password. After creating an account, click on Enter Animated 3D. Next, click on Get Started. On the next page, you can see the instructions or choose to skip for now. I'm skipping. Click on 3D Model. Here, in this step, we will create our 3D model. You can also upload a 3D model, but this time we will create a model using AI. You can create two types of models, a stylized character or a realistic character. Select whichever you prefer. I will choose the stylized character. Here, you can select masculine for a male character, feminine for a female character, or don't specify if you want to create a different character. Now, you can create a model with your own photo using the camera or upload a photo from your computer disk. However, I will create a model using DeepMotion's database, so I'm clicking on Continue Without Photo. After selecting an avatar, click on Next. This is our AI-generated 3D model. You can customize the model as you wish, changing the skin tone, face type, eyebrows, nose type, outfit, and everything else. After customizing your avatar, click on Next. You can create an account with Ready Player to reuse the avatar or skip it. Now, give your character a name and click on Save. Our 3D model is ready. Now, let's create an animation with this model. To create an animation video with this model, click on Create Animation. If you want to create a 3D static pose, click here. To create a static pose, upload a photo with the desired model pose. This time, we're creating an animation, so I'm selecting 3D animation. Click on Browse File. I will upload a dancing video that I've already downloaded. Select the video and rename it if necessary. Note that your video should be less than 20 seconds, since the free version allows only 20 seconds of video. If you have a longer video, split it into parts of 20 seconds and create the animation part by part. Now, we need to make some changes to the settings. If you want to export in GIF or other animation formats, turn on physics filtering, face tracking, and hand tracking. If your model is only the upper body, then turn on upper body only. Otherwise, leave it as it is. If you want to create a video, click on Video Output and enable MP4 output. Turn off MP4 audio and including the original video. Next, click on Custom Background and select a solid color. Set the camera mode to cinematic. Our settings are complete. Now, click on Create. You can export the animation in various formats for use in animator editors such as Blender, AutoCAD, and others. Click on Start Job. DeepMotion will take some time to create our animation. Our 3D animation is ready. You can preview it with our original video. Now, click on the Download button and select your desired format. I will choose MP4 format. Our animation video has been downloaded. After downloading the 3D model, go to Canva, click on Video to create a blank video. Now click on Element and search for an animated background. Select a video and choose a background video that best suits your video topic. I am selecting this one. After selecting the video, click the right button and select Set Video as Background. Then, click on Share and download the video in MP4 format. Now, we need to give the final touch to our animation video. For that, I am using a video editor, Camtasia. First, import your animated model and the background video into Camtasia. Now, place the background video on Video Layer 1 and the animation video on Layer 2. After placing the videos, trim the background video to match the length of the animated video. Then, select the animation layer and click on Chroma Key to adjust the settings and remove the green screen properly. Now, let's add music to our video. I will download copyright-free music from YouTube. After downloading the music, insert it into the audio section and adjust it according to the video. Once you've completed your editing, click on the Export button. Our final product is ready. Let's play it. I think this process is quite impressive. You can create a full animation video by following these steps. Make sure to allocate enough time for generating your model and editing, and you'll achieve great results. Share your thoughts and results in the comments section below. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, and press the bell icon for notifications. Your support is greatly appreciated. Thank you, and see you in the next one.